What we have done is we have object-orientified our code slightly. So we have slightly used techniques out of the object-oriented paradigm to clean up our code. Not only have we removed duplication using object-oriented programming, our display behavior is now lying within our class product and it's usable everywhere in our program. We've also created a single list of product instead of having two lists of products. Or sorry, a list of strings and a list of decimals. So how does object-oriented programming make our code easier to write? Well, it makes our code a lot more maintainable and extensible if you do it right. There's a lot of ways to do object-oriented programming wrong, and I guarantee you most of you guys out there who are new to object-oriented programming are going to do it wrong a lot. And that's just the way things are. I certainly did it wrong for a very, very long time, and still it's really all about design. It's really all about your creativity being applied to code. And there are many ways to do it. It's not set in stone. It's a very difficult concept to grasp. But it's important to practice it. So let's see an example of this program being made more extensible and easier to maintain because I'm now using object-oriented programming.